Christopher James. I live on my own.
My name's Irene, and I'm Christopher's mother.
My name is James, and I'm Christopher's father. I'm proud of him because of what he's accomplished so far. He's doing very well for himself.
Myself, I'm a janitor at Superstore. And beyond that, I just stay at home, keep to myself, read books, go for walks, play video games, watch movies, listen to radio. Well, that's basically it.
He's got good morals. You know, he's got a good sense of humor. Just wish that he would get out of his comfort zone and, you know, go out places and meet people and make friends, you know, and just get out there.
I get along with people, even though I hang by myself.
As a little boy, he knew that he didn't fit in. He knew that they wouldn't accept him anyway. And sometimes in recess, he would just go and sit by himself, and it was really kind of sad. Christopher has never had a birthday party. The only parties he's had is with his dad and I and our friends. And his dad and I are not going to be around forever, and we don't want him to be alone when we do go. Another thing, of course, I would like to see him get married and, you know, to have children, but I want him to be happy in life. I want to know that when it's time for me to leave this earth, that Christopher is going to be okay. For him to get out of that apartment.
And do things.
And grandchildren.
And grandchildren.
Yeah.
I do, on one hand, want to explore new things, but on the other hand, I'm nervous and I'm scared and I'm shy. I just got to break through that point, and then I can be able to accomplish my goals.
At the end of the day, I just want him to be happy. I just don't want him to go through all of his life alone and not being happy. And I don't want him to miss out on things in life. I mean, he's missing so much by staying in.
Like, you've got all these supporting layers that's, you know, can really help you. I mean, that's why we're gonna go to Vancouver and have a really good time, you know. We'll step in. We're gonna force you to experience things that otherwise you wouldn't be stepping out of your bounds and experiencing.
3 accomplishments I want to achieve are getting out of my apartment, visiting new countries and exploring new places, meeting new people, and meeting a girl. Get out more, see the world, visit different countries. The short-term goal for me would be to get out of the apartment, explore BC. Just really cool. It makes me appreciate nature more. I love the aquarium. I can't believe I've never ever been there before. Like, living in BC, I didn't even know it existed. I knew there was a Vancouver Zoo, but I didn't know this existed. Beluga whales, otters, and up close too. And octopi that, you know, climbed up half the glass. I mean, what an amazing experience. Sea turtles and sharks up close. You can reach out and touch them, you know, beyond the glass. Yeah, this place is just massive. Not like Winnipeg at all. I would like to live here. Maybe at the base of the mountain too, but close enough to the water where you actually get a view. Today we went for a hike. We went to the suspension bridge. Not the Capilano one, what was it?
Lynn Valley.
Lynn Valley, yes. And went to the aquarium, which was awesome. Went to see the giant old 1,000-year-old tree. Pretty cool. An actual historic landmark of Vancouver, which I didn't know. It was the first time that I've actually done these things. I wouldn't do the hiking again in a while, but I would do the aquarium, and I would, you know, drive around and visit Vancouver and
go to the harbor and check out the ocean again and walk the seawall. What I can take on most is I had a good time. I actually had fun. I enjoyed myself, and realized there's more to life than just this place. As much as it is comfortable here, I did enjoy going out. So I think I would do it again. I thought, yeah, we're gonna do this. It wasn't gonna be that fun, but then again, I was nervous too. So, but it exceeded my expectations totally. I started to relax when I was out there. I started to loosen up and have a good time, and just go with it. Camaraderie helped, with you guys in the car. Made me feel relaxed, and yeah, I felt good, and just went with it and had a good time. To go and enjoy myself is what I want to do again. I broke out of my my comfort zone.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel exhausted, like a little sore, but I feel good. But yeah, it was a good day. But thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
No, thank you.
Whoa.
Skip it.